Just when you thought the Caliburn couldn't get any better, Uwell drops a brand new model that will surely capture your attention. Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. Today we're going to be looking at the upcoming Uwell Caliburn Explorer pod system, a 1000 mAh rechargeable battery device with a whopping 32 watt max power output, utilizing a draw activated firing mechanism, rapid Type-C USB charging with an interactive 4-leaf clover adjustment key designed to accompany the 4 ml refillable Explorer pod, which offers 2 separate juice ports, taking on 2 different coils from the Caliburn G and G2 series, backed with Uwell's Pro FOCS flavor testing technology, bringing you double the flavors and double the fun. Before we get into this video, for those of you that are new to this page, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest vape products and reviews. Now let's get right into it and present the new Caliburn Explorer pod system by Uwell. And here we have the new Caliburn Explorer pod system provided to us as a sample by Uwell, the newest addition to the Caliburn lineup. Crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, the Explorer offers a bulkier form factor build, backed with a split gradient finish, available in 4 different colorways to choose from. Here we have the orange and black edition for today's review. Integrating a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, the Caliburn Explorer delivers a max power output of 32 watts, powered by fast charging Type-C USB. The device will offer a draw-activated firing mechanism, paired with an innovative 4-leaf clover adjustment key, with 2 LED indicators on either sides, and haptic feedback response. There's our Type-C USB charge port rested below, paired with the new Caliburn Explorer pod, offering a frosted design pod structure with 2 viewing windows, backed with Uwell's Pro FOCS flavor testing technology. Now, what's interesting about this pod, in comparison to previous Caliburn pods, is the overall size capacity, housing up to 4 ml of e-liquid, as well as housing 2 separate mesh coils. Yes, you heard that correct. This pod is housing not 1, but 2 replaceable coils from the Caliburn G and G2 series. Each coil has its own separate section. We got a juice plug here and a juice plug over here, each housing 2 ml of e-liquid for a grand total of 4 ml. But how does this all play out? Going back to the adjustment key, we have a 4-leaf clover design that controls how we want our device to work. Press the button 5 times to power on the device. And again, the Explorer operates strictly on auto draw activation. The clover design key provides 4 different ways to do so. If we press the left key, the LED will light up, indicating that the coil on the left-hand side will fire. If we press the right key, the same process will appear, right side LED, indicating the right-hand coil will fire. Press the up key, and now both LEDs will light up, indicating that both coils will fire simultaneously. And lastly, the down key, and the LEDs will light up on its own, indicating that each individual coil will fire in an alternate sequence. The package will include the Caliburn Explorer battery device with a 4 ml refillable pod, utilizing a pre-installed 0.8 ohm Caliburn G coil and a 1.2 ohm Caliburn G2 coil. We got a spare 0.8 ohm Caliburn G coil and a 1.2 ohm Caliburn G2 coil, a Type-C USB charging cable, and a user manual. For more information on the new Caliburn Explorer 32 watt pod system and other Uwell products,